So, welcome back to another quick little video. In this video, we're just going to mount up all of the hoses properly so that they are no longer dangling and hung up by zip ties. We've got some hose clamps from my birthday. My sister got them for me, much appreciated. And so we're going to actually just mount everything up in its right spot. That's pretty much the hose clamps done. The hoses are all buttoned up. Everything's done in the front as well, so they're all no longer loose with the zip ties. There is maybe one or two more hose clamps that I want to add in the back just to make sure that everything's out of the way of the tire and the wheel, compression in the suspension. And then basically after that, we are a windshield and an exhaust away from a dyno day. As you can see, I've got the doors in, probably recognize them. And then I've also finished up the wiring. So indicator stalk, the original indicator stalk's being used. We've got the headlight switch and all the wiring has been run. I'm not going to bore you with any of that, but I still need to take it all out and rewrap it. So we've still got a fair amount to go, but I'll kind of leave it with the fact that the tail lights are all wired up and the front indicators are all wired up. We've got a brake switch mounted behind there now. I flipped it and it seems to be working, and everything is set up in the haltech already, so we're pretty much done there. So yeah, it's basically a windshield, get the exhaust done, and then we can basically take it down to Andrew at Animal Auto and get it tuned. That is the goal anyway. I've got headlights coming from an Overcrest member. His name's Kevin. He's coming at some point in the weekend, and I'll basically be able to make sure that my wiring is done for the headlights. I'm still looking for some fenders, guards, wings, whatever you want to call them. I don't want to spend $1,000 on guards that will ultimately be replaced. So cracked, bent, whatever, I don't care. Let's go full outlaw look. Doesn't even need to be matching color. So I need to get that sorted, and then I think that's pretty much it. We can start driving this thing. As long as nothing crazy goes wrong on the dyno day, then we're pretty much home and hosed. Haha, get it? Because we did some hoses today. Pardon me. That's pretty much the